Flowers are smell is in particular, underline it in particular, this flower has a very pleasant smell. In particular, this flower smell. This flower has a very pleasant smell. You earn your living as a photographer. You earn your living as a photographer. In the same way, you earn your living as a photographer. In the same way, I earn my living as a journalist. I am photographer either, he is a journalist. And then I earn my living as a journalist. Who did everything? Who could to persuade? Who could to persuade? P-E-R-S-U-A-D-E. Who could persuade to persuade him to stay here. In spite of it all, underline it. In spite of it all, he resigned and left. He resigned and మేము బతిలాంటప్పటికి రిజైన్ చేసి వెళ్ళిపోయాడు. In spite of it all, he trained hard for several months. He trained hard for several months. Only 4, right or no? In spite of that, he couldn't reach his best room. In spite of that, he couldn't reach his best form. He trained hard for several months. బాగా ట్రైన్ అయ్యాడు, అయినప్పటికీ he could not reach his best form. Right? You think he is for this proposal. In that case, right? In that case, we are not writing. I have been observing. In that case, why did he speak against the meeting? Why did he speak against it at the meeting? Meeting lo ఎందుకు మాట్లాడాడు? Why did he speak against it at the meeting? There are a number of mistakes in that report. There are a number of mistakes in that report. Right, Subha? There are a number of mistakes in that report. But of course, I underline it, of course. But of course, she had to try it in a hurry. She had to type it in a hurry. Of course, but she had to type it in a hurry. Hurry lo type cheyalsi vachindani. She had to type it in a hurry. He didn't like the film. ఆ మూవీ ఇష్టపడలేదు. ఆన్ ద కాంట్రరీ, అండర్లైన్ ఇట్. ఆన్ ద కాంట్రరీ, ఐ ఫౌండ్ ఇట్ క్వైట్ ఎంజాయబుల్. నాకు మాత్రం బాగా ఆనందంగా ఉంది ఆ సినిమా. ఆన్ ద వన్ హ్యాండ్, నెక్స్ట్ ఆన్ ద వన్ హ్యాండ్, he wants to continue as a doctor. Right? On the one hand, he wants to, right, all of you? On the one hand, he wants to continue as a doctor. But on the other hand, he wants to practice as a lawyer. ఒక చేత్తోనేమో డాక్టర్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నాడు, ఇంకో చేత్తోనేమో లాయర్గా చేయాలనుకుంటున్నాడు. On the one hand, he wants to continue as a doctor. On the other hand, he wants to practice as a lawyer. Their attitude towards all this has changed. Their attitude, right? Their attitude towards all this has changed. Similar attitude, A-T-T-I-T-U-D-E. Their attitude and Vaikari, attitude towards all this has changed. Similarly, they have softened their position on several other government policies. His car broke down on the way. Therefore, his car broke down on the way. Car మధ్యలో దారి లాగిపోయింది. Therefore, he couldn't get there on time. ఆ కారణాన he couldn't get there on time. టయానికి అక్కడికి రీచ్ కాలేకపోయాడు. To start with or to begin with. Last one, right or no? To start with or to begin with. This idea may not work in practice. And secondly, how are you going to find the funds? How are you going to find the